Oh, a really scratchy one here. This one does not sound very good. I'm gonna go for it though. You dead? You dead? You on? It's dead. That's why I always have a backup, right? What's it going for here? Right there. Dig it up, man. Just dig it up. Right. Hits a coin. Hits a coin. Scratchy, scratchy tone right there. It's a dime, man. It's a dimer. I can't believe that, man. Oh, it's another coin in there. It's another coin, right? The coin spills on the dais sound super iffy, man. It's a nickel right there. The coin spills on the dais sound really iffy, right? Irony, right? Especially my hot soil. See, listen. This isn't really a hot soil here, but I'll turn off my pinpointer here. This isn't really hot soil, but I get a lot of iffy tones on coin spills. Bring it on. Another coin right here. Come on, baby. Another nickel right there. Bam! Spanking it out. Right, go for those iffy tones, man. Come on, baby. Bring it on. Here's a shallow one here. Come on, baby. You be a ring. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, boy. There's a bottle cap right there. I can't hear my tones very good because the freeway is right there. Right on the other side of that wall over there, that big wall. Interstate is right there, so it's hard to hear the iron tones. It's hard to hear any tones here. This one's a bottle cap too. Come on. So I've created a little song for you guys. All right. Oh, it's junky. It's another spike or something. It sounds like a bottle cap. It sounds like a bottle cap. Oh boy, I'm in trouble on this one. There's gonna be a spike down there. It's not, it's another bottle cap right there. So I'll sing you guys my song. Or not my song, your song. Because I made this song for you guys. Alright? You never know what you're gonna dig up.
It could be a bottle cap or full cap too.
Dig it up, dig it up. You never know what you're gonna dig up.
It could be a dime.
It could be a nickel. Could be a pulsing signal in the soil. Come on. Right there, it's deep, deep, deep. Come on, come on, come on. It's the junky target right here. A junky one. Right. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Come on. Come on, bring it on, bring it on. Oh yeah, come on. A gummy soil, man. Oh, stuff is brutal here, man. Oh boy. Oh, it is brutal here. Oh my lord, I just dropped it. Oh man. Come on, baby, come on. Right there, a little bit of foil. Right? Those junky targets surprise you, man. You got to dig up the junky targets, right? And I also have a special little tip for you guys too. Not only dig the junk out, go back to sites over and over and over again because people are always dropping rings, right? You know, I might have the police show up here any minute because I've had some people honking at me because I look like a freaking freak. Well, I am a freak, right? The reason, why are you asking why I have a ring hanging from my freaking hat? Because this urges me to dig up those iffy tones. This gold ring right here was an iffy tone. So I think I might try to elude the police and get out of this area because I've had a lot of people looking at me like, dude, call the police right now, call the police. This guy's a freak, right? Dancing around, freaking singing songs, the ring hanging from his head. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.